How to add restaurant on Uber Eats. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in merchants.ubereats.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to Uber Eats for Merchants page. Now scroll down, you have to fill this form in order to add restaurant on your Uber Eats account. So what I have to do is first up, select the store address, type in the floor number like with store name, type in the brand name, select the business type, then select the cuisine type, select the number of location, type in the first name, type in the last name, then provide your email address, then finally select your country and provide a phone number. After you fill this, scroll down and then click on submit. Once you submit this form, you will need to wait for Uber Eats to contact you. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. They will send you an email or give you a call for more information. Once you receive their email, click on the provided link. This will guide you through the final steps of adding your restaurant to Uber Eats. After completing the registration, you can use the Uber Eats manager to monitor your results and access support whenever you need assistance. To start accepting orders, turn on the Uber Eats order app. You can now go live and start serving your customers through Uber Eats. And that's it. Your restaurant is now on Uber Eats, ready to take orders. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another upload from us. Thanks for watching.